All right, so how about we start by you telling me your character's name?
My name is Betor, the cleric, and I'm going to heal my allies the same way I'm going to heal the divides in our nation.
Okay. Well, you are in a town that is surrounded by orcs, and the people of this town are ill-equipped to take on this threat. What do you do?
Hey, un gatos en mis pantalones.
I don't speak Spanish, but did you just say there is a cat in your pants?
Thank you for asking the question. Now, there is a boy named Billy in Iowa that doesn't have time for us to ask ourselves the question of whether or not I said there is a cat in my pants.
I'm really not sure how to respond to that. Is there anything that you're going to do to help the people of this town?
I am going to make sure that everyone in this town has access to the weapons that they deserve.
But the people already have access to weapons. There's a blacksmith in the town. They just can't afford them.
Hey, un gatos en mis pantalones.